Let's go back. It's a storm because I should say that thing again. Oh my god, there's no lighting. There's no lighting right now. I don't know. Could be. Oh my god, what's that? Garage is open. Like a view clips of the storm. It's not a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is different. It's just a clip. It's just a clip of the video. Wow, we're gonna get a storm coming in California. Huh. I'll just show you the trash cans that blew out right here. Oh my god, look at walk. Huh. It's just trash can. Huh. Oh my god. Just close this up. Trash can should not be open. Huh. They say it's supposed to be thunder, but it isn't. It isn't thundering because it's not warm enough, that's why. Could be warm, not warming. Might be thunder in the winter time. This September I had to go in the house, so I don't want to get struck by one. So I'm scared. Let's go in the house for safety. Let's go. Let's go in the house. Run.